Hello, hello, hello. Good evening to everybody. Hello, 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 hello. Can you hear me? Hello, hello, hello. It is audible? Yes. Today onwards, little bit of importance. Dates, date functions. Tomorrow onwards, totally important. That is a 2 date onwards. That is the first important class in tomorrow. But today also important concepts only one by one we are learning. Now we are going to start. Before we are going to start that dates, date functions, and all these things. And now check it out. Concentrate. Maybe all are not attending up to now. Okay, yeah. So now here, yes. Yesterday, very important concept I am telling only, translate and replace functions we are using. Okay, fine. Yesterday, you have an idea, no? Just observe it here. Observe it here. Substring in string combination, we have an idea, and translate and replace differences. So many interviewer asking, but unfortunately, maybe in a maybe 2000. Okay, so now here 15 or 16 year. One of our PLSQL developer, PLSQL student only attending entry. In that case, interviewer, intelligent fellow, one beautiful interview question is asking. What is the interview question means? Maybe, okay, that is experience concept, but maybe, so now here they are putting a what experience, that's why they are asking, I think. What is that one? Translate and replace differences, everyone telling. Now here in a queries also maybe some of fundamental level queries easily everyone telling, but unfortunately what they're asking what interior actually how you are removing what special characters, otherwise any numbers, anything means yes anybody sorry, okay, so now interior asking means everyone telling what suppose experienced person in a future you are also familiar, regular expression replace is there. Suppose here this is A5, B5, C, another class set I am using. In this case, now here I want to remove the word. These fives means something. Sorry, this character means something. I am using our regular expressions in a future. Regular expression replaces a function is there. Through that one, they are removing only. Suppose spaces I want to remove means regular expressions replace is there. Through that one, we are removing. Like that, a particular characters, particular numbers. Okay, if we want to remove, then we go for. So suppose here digits I want to remove means digit I am using only in a regular expression replace is there. Through that we are removing only. Okay, fine. Not only that one, replace is a function through also we are removing or not. Yes, particular character, particular string, anything also. Yesterday we are telling no SS, MI, SS, TH, SS. But interior in those days, beautiful intro question they are asking. What is that one? Because compulsory programmers confusing. How you are removing a particular characters, particular strings, they're asking me, is everyone telling a what regular expression replace in a feature you are also familiar, or replace function third parameter you are not using, me second parameter through it will be removed. But into you're asking, I don't want to use those two methods. I want to use a what translate function. Through that translate function, I want to remove particular character, particular okay delimiter, particular special character, particular digit. How can I possible? They're asking. Typical question this one. Nobody using in a project side translate for removing a what NA characters. Why? Because some drawback is there. Don't worry. But only we are using a what a replace and a regular expression replace in a real-time project. But the subject purpose may be into your typical question they are asking, because maybe he is an experienced person. Whenever those type of questions means, don't afraid. Suppose here translate also working, but nobody preferring only. What is that one means? Now screen observe it, slowly observe here. My interest purpose I am telling. Up to that one, some fellows are connecting only. And now check it out. Concentrate here. Select is there. Don't write it here. Suppose translate I am writing. Okay, fine. Translate, for example. Now here. In this translate function, suppose here A hyphen is there. For example, A hyphen B hyphen C is there. Okay, fine. Now here check it out. Here they're asking a what into here. This is a translate function is there. Here your string is there. A hyphen B hyphen C. I want to remove the hyphen. They're asking. Whenever remove the hyphen, they're asking me, I am also, you're also thinking, oh, nothing is there. Okay, actually removing purpose, nobody using a translate, but just idea purpose. And now here, observe here, oh, maybe hyphen, I want to replace with the what? Hyphen replace with the what? Another character means, yes, something is possible. But here, I try to use a what? A null, maybe that is working. We are thinking, but unfortunately, it won't work. It won't work. Whenever we are using a what, a null means automatically output is third parameter is null means automatically null is output, it will be returned. So now here null is output, it will be returned. That is a problem. Compulsory we are using a third parameter. That third parameter you are not giving means error in a translate function, not like a replace this one. And also now here whenever we are using a null means automatically null only output. That's why interviewer asking maybe. But how can I mean some technique is there? Don't write it. Observe here. Some technique is there. What is that one? Actually, anybody observing what yesterday class? Here always translate is used to replace as character by character. Character by character, not. Yes, here. That's why what they are telling. Now here is okay. So now here is some developers are techniques they are using. What is that one? Suppose which character, which delimiter we have to remove in front of that one, in a character we are using. Suppose here at the rate or star, anything also we are using. Now here we are using a what? Here that star only. Now here, yes, here. Now observe here, star is replaced with the star or not? Yes, star is replaced with the star. Star is not there here like this only. Here it is not there. But which was an option? Hyphen is replaced with the what? Any another character is not there. Any another character is not there. That is a null. Then working. So now then working. That is a technique. Now here check it out. Nobody preferring that one. Yes, automatically A, B, C is there or not? A beautiful mechanism. But nobody using project side because it's difficult. Yes, that's why in a future regular expression replace. Otherwise, previous classes anybody attending means replace function is there. No, through that one possible. Now here, yes, here. But so now here, yes, this is the way. Now here, but now here, check it out. But what is the problem? This one, whenever this star is available here, then automatically not working. That is a problem. As other than this, whatever special symbol we are replacing only that a symbol other than that one only we are using. Otherwise, it won't work. Suppose here dollar symbol is there. For example, dollar is there here. Dollar is there. Now I want to remove the what here. So now here, yes, here dollar means just we are using a what? A dollar like this. Now here null value is not there. Case sense too. Okay, small letter means small, capital letter character. Yes, ABC is there or not? Yes, here ABC like. Again, star is there means it won't work. Why? Because which one is a replacing character? That one we are not allowed to use in a translate. There is a problem. And now here check it out. Suppose here star is there here. Again here star is there. For example. This star also I want to remove means I am also here also thinking, oh, this logic is good. That was star we are using means it won't work. So now here why? Because replacing character specifying means before this is a problem only, it won't work. That's why other than that character we are using. Suppose here I'm using a what here at the rate like this. Here now here for example at the rate. here I want to replace character by character at the rate. Now here automatically, now here ABC is there or not? Yes, yeah. That's why these type of typical questions, some experienced person side interviewer asking only. Okay, na? Yes, you're not a pressure level. You are not good at this one also, not a problem. Just some pillows are lately connected. That's why my interest purpose intro question I'm telling. Okay, fine. Experience side, that this is different. That's why if you, why I'm not telling for you only those type of concepts means whenever interviewer asking what, if you want to remove any special characters, any delimiters, any strings, so now here we are using a what regular expression replace in a feature you are telling or replace you are telling, then only you are a good professional. Translate you are telling means you are also confusing, interviewer also confusing. Maybe they are not using in a project side, but if they want an experienced persons, they're asking something means then only now here that one only. Okay, yeah, so now here. That's why in a feature regular expression replace very important, removing character purpose. Otherwise in a previous class character or string means replace function. Okay, up to this one we are discussing about previous class. And also in a previous class what I am telling, now here observed here CHR function I'm telling or not? Yes, here. And now next last character functions only, that is difficult functions. Then only we are starting at dates. But those difficult functions also PLSQL developer side you are learning. SQL developer side not required. What is that one means in every database that will be there. Why I am telling anybody also telling that those are difficult function means that is pure syntax based. But first time newcomer syntaxically they are not good. That's why now here observe here LPAD. LPAD, RPAD is there. LPAD, write it. LPAD. Write it side heading LPAD. We are not changing the timings. Okay, all first only we are telling 5 o'clock. Now here LPAD. You have to ask management. LPAD. Now what is LPAD means? Now here check it out. Concentrate here. Now observe it here. Actually, trim means removing. Already we are telling. But same like padding means what? Appending or adding only. Okay, so now that is the meaning. Everyone knows adding or appending only. But unfortunately, L means what? Left side padding only. Left side padding. What is this one? Why these functions are difficult means I will tell you. Now, pure syntax based. This is regularly used in aware PLSQL. Auto increment is a concept is there in that one. Numbers with any characters, any character with any other thing appending left and right side means then they are using only. Now here this is a syntax based only. What is that one means? Concentrate here. Concentrate here. Now check it out. Now here concentrate here. Suppose for example, don't write it only. Why? Because this is difficult really. LPAD is a function is there. Don't write it, just observe it here first. LPAD function always accepts 3 parameters. Don't write it here. Suppose A, B, C, D is a string I am giving, for example. Okay, fine. Second parameter always total length, either 10 bytes or either 20 bytes or 30 bytes, your own wish. Okay, fine. Yes, the total length of the string. Which one is a field character is there? That one only, for example. And now, whenever I am writing like this, what happened means observe here, easy understandable purpose. First control goes to where second parameter, just wrong side I'm telling, but just idea purpose, conceptually. Then we are telling about original. Suppose here 10 bytes are there. Total length is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 bytes only. Now, what is the which one string is there here? What is the string here? A, B, C, D is a string. And now here, yes, A, B, C is a string. Okay, only 4 bytes I'm giving only. A, and now here, observe here. And now here, A, B, C, D is a string is there. Now here, the yes here. Now, how many bytes I'm giving? Total is 10 bytes. I want to display my string, but unfortunately how many characters I'm passing? 4 characters in this example. Again, left hand side, observe here, left hand side, so many blank spaces are there or not? In this one, whatever filled character is there, that is filling only. And now here, observe here ash, here ash, here ash, here ash, here ash, Here ash only. What is the meaning of this one? That's why I'm telling a what this syntax based like that only means the definition is totally different. What is the definition of LPAD means? It will fill the remaining spaces. Here spaces are there. It will fill the remaining spaces with the specified character on the left side of the given string. Left side of the given string. Really that is correct or not, we are checking in a where practically. That's why it will fill the remaining spaces with a specified character on the left side of the given string only. Always here second parameter returns a what? Total length of the string. That much of syntax is required. Now practical I am showing only, then suddenly interview side how they are asking beautiful way that I am changing means you are understandable. First write it LPAD. It will fills remaining spaces with specified character. Remaining spaces with specified character on the left side of the given string. On the left side of the given string. This function, write it. Here write it practically with first. This function always accepts 3 parameters. 3. Last parameter is optional, but 3 parameters have been. 3 parameters. And also here second parameter always returns number data type. And also this parameter represents, this is important, and also this parameter represents total length of the string. Total length of the string. This is a difficult function also we are learning compulsory because PLSQL side, some trigger side, this concept I am using. Okay, now syntax I am writing only. Observe it here. What is the syntax means 1 minute only. Now here actually here what is LPAD RPAD syntax is similar. Here LPAD is there. Pad is not there, LPAD or RPAD. Okay, LPAD. Here, what they are giving either string or column name, your own based on the requirement, comma. Here, total length. Here, second parameter is a total length. Here, third parameter is a what? A filled character. Filled character. Filled character. Character they are giving also character, delimiter, string, anything also possible. Here, this is a second parameter always returns a what? Number data type. This is a number. Total length is a number. This is write it. Then I am showing a practical. This is only syntax based concept. That's why in a character function side, LPAD RPAD difficult. Completed. Here total length means number data type. In a hierarchical queries is a concept is there in that classes also. LPAD I am using only one of these days. That's why. And now here check it out. Finished. This correct, sorry, this syntax is finished. Yeah, now check it out. Practically observe it. I'm testing only. You're also testing, not a problem. First, I'm using normally simple way. Select LPAD, pure syntactically, you are good means then suppose here, same example, I'm copying only A, B, C, D, anything. Less number of characters, total length, your own wish. Your field character, your own wish. Don't write it, 1 minute only. And now here from dual. Then automatically, what is the output? Everyone knows this is a what? Total length is a what? So now here, yes, always at 10 only. 10 bytes means 10 or 20 bytes means 20, like this only. And now here, check it out. Automatically here, hash 6. It will fill the remaining spaces with the what? Specified character on the left side of the given string. No? Yes, here. Now check it out here. Observe it here. Output is here hash ABCD. Up to this one, everyone knows. Total length is a what? 10 means 10 by 20 means 20, 30 means 30. Yes, filling with the remaining spaces filled with the what? Specified delimiter or character or a string or first observe it here. Okay, up to this one, everyone knows. Now don't write it, just observe it here. 1 or 2 minutes, we are changing the values, then you are understandable. Only this is a what? Only delimiter like this? No. So now not only special character, any character also possible. Suppose here single character I'm using, possible. Yes. If we are filling, that's all. Just remaining spaces we are filling. We are using your own wish, anything. But okay, so now here, yes, here they're giving a field character also. You are using a character, you are using a delimiter, anything. Delimiter means special symbol. Again, here string also possible. Suppose XYZ, I want. Okay, fine. Yes, possible. Yes, here XYZ possible or not? A string also possible, character also possible, special symbol also possible, anything also possible. Suppose, yes, special symbol means anything. Either I'm using a what? Star like this only. Now possible or not? Yes, possible. So in place of remaining spaces filled with the what? A star like this. And now here, check it out. Concentrate. Not only that one, I am removing a what? Third parameter. Not a problem. Working. Third parameter you are removing means translate is not working, but LPAD is working and the replace also working. Now here RPAD also working. Now check it out. Suppose here I am removing a what? This third parameter. Third parameter remove means null value. Only first remaining spaces of the 6 characters are there. No, that will be there. And now here space it will be displayed. And now check it out. Yes, space it will be displayed or not. That's why yes, in this space only your own wish. Anything also you are filling only. It will fill remaining spaces with a specified character on the left side of the given string. Character they are giving also. You are filling anything also working. Okay, anything also working. That's your first. Okay, remembering purpose only. Only now here yes, these 2 examples, right? Then I am telling you what important intro side only. Something is there. Interviewer, how beautifully they are asking me, so I will tell you. That is totally different. Write it this example. Output roughly, right? Then reverse side, they are asking in a PLSQL developer side, not a SQL developer side, because this is a pure syntax. This output, write it. And also the spaces side also better to write. Because one of these days I example, right? Fastly write it. Then we are starting important concept dates functions. Okay, dates. The space is there. Okay. Yeah. Here space is there. Here space. Okay. And now here, observe it here. According to my experience only, this is a pure syntax based function. That's why SQL side interviewer never asked this function. But PLSQL side, they're asking what interior this function. Why? Because the reason is there. Actually, in a PLSQL, auto increment is a concept is there, generating what primary key values automatically means triggers we are writing. In that class only, now here I will tell you. So now here, observe it here, concentrate here. Whenever as a banking examples are there, for example, bank is a table is there, account number is there. In this account number, auto increment concept means triggers, sequence, combination. We are writing some coding. In that one, automatically generates some what numbers I will tell you. But unfortunately, some banks only security purpose maybe from the, so now here is security from the hackers. They are giving a what character plus numbers automatically, maybe branch code or anything. In that case, alphanumeric data, I want to generate a what? So now here primary key values means impossible in a Oracle side. In that case, first we are generating a what? These numbers. Yes, in that coding only, just we are adding a what? LPAD, RPAD function through left hand side, some whatever string they are giving only, they are adding in a through the coding only, that much of powerful. That's why PLSQL side only interviewer asking what these type of questions. But unfortunately, how they are asking, this is the way they are never asked. Why? Because what is LPAD, what is RPAD means PLSQL developer, well-known persons. You are a first-time newcomer, you are only facing a problem, yes, LPAD, RPAD, but experienced person means nothing. Or now because where they are using all the things application level, they have an idea. That's why, yes, in a PLSQL developer, so now you're working in a way that concepts means, yes, interior, LPAD, RPAD functions, reverse side they are asking. What is reverse side means? According to my experience, they are asking a reverse side. Where reverse side means little bit of confusing. Today you are telling me is great. Suppose here, slowly observe it here, slowly observe it here. Second parameter is a what? More number of bytes are there. Here 10. Okay, for example, 100, 20, 30. Here, first parameter is a what? Less than the where this second parameter number of bytes. These are less characters. Only 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. Okay, that's why there is no problem. Oh, maybe total length is a 10 bytes. Less number of characters we are passing only. Remaining characters place, sorry, remaining spaces place, we are filling a what that character everyone knows. But unfortunately, interviewer how they are asking reverse. This is more characters here. This is a more characters. Suppose here 10. Here less number of bytes. Total length is a less number of bytes they are giving. In that case, what happened? Interviewer asking. In that case, anybody telling me is really great. Why? Because LPAD maybe they are telling it correctly, or but RPAD is there mistaken in. They well-known persons interviewer. That is a typical one. So many fellows are mistaken. That's why interviewer asking that question. Same question I'm asking now. Anybody without checking in a where system, they are telling in a where guessing side means great. Okay, observe it here. Interview question. That's why don't write it 5 minutes only. Very interesting. Suppose slowly observe it here. Don't write it. I am writing. Don't write it here. Very interesting. Select LPAD. This is interview question. LPAD of here A, B, C. I'm passing. Okay, fine. Here 3 characters. First parameter. Second parameter is a 5 characters. Okay, sorry, 5 bytes, for example, total length. Third one, I'm filling about remaining spaces with the star I'm using. For example, entertainment purpose from Dual. Then what is the output? Star, star, ABC. That is everyone knows. And now here, check it out. Slowly observe it here. Now I'm copying this one. I'm copying what this one only. Just observe here, star, star, ABC. Everyone telling a what correct answer. Okay, na? But unfortunately, suddenly, I try to change. I try to change a what? So now here these parameters only. Suppose here second parameter is a what? 4 I am giving, 3 I am giving, not a problem. Here 2 I am giving only. What is the output? Anybody guess it? Maybe in our class, maybe anybody guess it? Anybody guess it? What is the output? What is the output? Maybe guess it. Star, star, or star A, or A, B, or B, C. Confusing. What is this one? A, B, C is a 3 characters are there. Second one is a what? Less number of bytes are there. Total length. What is the output? Very good. So many fellows are telling a what? star, mega star, superstar, these type of things are not there. Okay, fine, very good. Yes, those type of things are not there. Very good. What is the output? What is the output? What is the output? Very good. Yes, here AB is output, not a star A. AB is output. What is this one? Why AB? I will tell you. I will tell you. Don't worry. Now here, yes, here. Now check it out. Who are telling what? Some fellows are telling what? AB only. That is the correct output. Don't write it. Don't write. Just observe. Not completed. So many things are there here. Now copy this one. I try to execute this one only. Where is my system? So now here, yes, here. AB is output. Okay, okay, fine, fine, fine. Not completed. Not completed. Now observe it here. Concentrate here. Suppose here R-pad I'm using. R-pad means up to now we are not telling right side padding. Okay, fine. Here right side padding means here only, here 5 I'm giving only. Or the output maybe guess it A, B, C star star. But the right side padding no. So now very easy. A, B, C star star. In this case there is no problem. Okay, fine. A, B, C star star is there or not? Yes, A, B, C star star. Okay, in this case second parameter is a high more number of bytes, first parameter is a less number of characters. That is everyone guessing, but suddenly interviewer asking, here you are telling a what? Yes, correct answer is great. Interviewer asking same thing. Here also 2 is there. Now what the output? Maybe anybody guess it? You are guessing in this case really great. Yes, C star or BC or A star star, otherwise AB, otherwise none of the above, only one answer is correct. Yeah, maybe, yes. So many fellows are, I am also here also, anybody also, first time newcomer thinking what? BC you are thinking, otherwise star we are thinking, otherwise C star we are thinking, but unfortunately what is the output? Those all outputs are wrong answer. Only again same output. AB is a correct answer. What is this one? In a previous case, LPAD also AB is there. In this example side, same syntax we are using only. RPAD also AB is there. What is this one? RPAD means right side padding only. But unfortunately, what is this output? AB, how it is possible? Yes, that's why entry question. Not ABC, not a C star. In this case, AB. And now here, yes, why? That's why whenever we are passing a what? A less number of, more number of characters in a first parameter, then the total length in a second parameter, then automatically RPAD, LPAD functions return the same result. Same result. Why miss? Reason they are asking into here. And now here, check it out. Yes, here AB. And now observe here. Yes, screen observed. Very good. One fellow is telling a AB. Maybe he's checking only. And now here, yes, here AB is there or not? Yes, here AB. Why? Any reason is there? Yes, reason is there. Very important. And now check it out. Concentrate here. That's why entry question this one. And now check it out. Here AB. Why means? And now reason is there. What is the reason behind that one means? Whenever first parameter is a more number of characters, second parameter is a what? Less number of bytes are there. Then LPAD, RPAD functions return same result. Why? What is the reason? Reason is there. Execution is a different. Execution. You are good at what? Execution process. You are telling a what? Oh, maybe this is the reasons why is AB. In this case, it will be displayed. You are understandable. Now here, what is the execution means? I am also, you are also, yes, thinking is different. But unfortunately, servers are executing a what? LPAD, RPAD functions different. Suppose in a Oracle side, wow, Oracle Corporation, others are explaining means, observe here, concentrate here. Suppose in a previous case is there, select, LPAD is there. Now here, ABCD, I am writing. Here, total length is 10. Here, hash, I am giving only in a previous case example side. Slowly observe here from dual. That's why it is a big concept. That's why yesterday I am not telling. Now here, check it out. But in this case, I am a lecturer. Otherwise, anybody, you are a first time newcomer, easy understandable purpose. What we are telling actually, wrong side we are telling. Everyone, others also, in a Google also, they are explaining like that. In YouTube, you are observing this. What we are telling, oh, nothing is there. Whenever we are using LPAD, RPAD function, first control goes to where? Second parameter, we are telling only. Oh, second parameter means here 10 is there means automatically 10 bytes of memory allocated 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 only. But whatever passed string is there, this string is a what? A less number of characters are there. That's why here we are using a what? A, B, C, D. We are passing only A, B, C, D like this. Remaining spaces filled with the what? This character. Easy, understandable purpose we are explaining like this. Okay, fine. Maybe first time newcomer means maybe they are not good at what anything. That's why this is the way everyone explaining. Okay, because so easy remembering also important. No? Yes, yeah, that's why wrong side we are telling only that, but unfortunately, it does not execute like this. Really, ALPAD, RPAD functions are not executing like this. So now our understandable purpose, every others are lecturers are telling like that. Always control first go to where, not a second parameter. That is the wrong side. So now here, yes, control does not goes to where, jump into where second parameter in this case. Always whenever LPAD, RPAD functions we are using also, always execution means control first go to where, left side, first parameter, left side, first character onwards, it will be executed. That is important. Left to right only executed, that left to right characters control based on the where, yes, this, okay, string only. That, sorry, this is second parameter based on it. That much powerful. Only left to right only it will be executed. First parameter. How it will be executed? This one. Yes, here LPAD means here first character A. Now here second character B. Third character C. Fourth character D. But unfortunately, yes, here 4 characters are there, but here 10 is there. That's why here remaining space is the left hand side filled with the what? Hash like this. Now the same thing, observe it here, what happened here. Now check it out here. Here I'm writing a what in a previous case ABC. Here I'm using a what? Here 5 I'm using. Here star I'm using. You are observing or not in a previous case. How it will be executed? Roughly guess it only. How it will be executed? First control goes to where? Left side, first parameter only. On a left side, first parameter, first character. Here A, here B, here C. And here 3 characters are there, but here total length is 5. That's why remaining spaces filled with a what? A star like this. Okay, that is the way executed. Character left side, first character onwards, first parameter, left side, first character onwards executed. But unfortunately, here observe here, suddenly I'm giving a what? Here 2 I'm giving. Whenever I'm giving 2 means, yes, first control goes to where? Left side, first character. A. Okay, fine. A it will be. And now here, again, second character B, but it will be stopping. Why? Because here total length is what? AB. Okay, 2. Simple. Now same thing, RPAD also it will be executed like this. Here RPAD. Whenever we are using a what? RPAD means here 5 is there. Here left or right, left side onwards, not a right side onwards. A, B, C. Okay, fine. Left side first character onwards. A, now B, C is there. Here, but unfortunately total length is 5. That's why remaining okay places automatically filled with the right hand side. Right hand side star star like this. Here also, yes, RPAD also left to right only executed, not a right to left. And now here, check it out, execution different only. Suppose here I'm giving a what? 2 like this. Whenever I'm using a what? 2 means, yes, here automatically which one? Yes, here first left side, first character A, left side, second character B. Stop it. That's why AB. That's why very, very important in Oracle. Whenever second parameter having a less number of bytes than the given first parameter number of characters, then LPAD, RPAD functions returns the same result. This is very, very important experience. Because in Oracle, when we are submitting LPAD, RPAD functions, then Oracle server always executes those functions. Left side, first parameter, left side, first character onwards. Okay, na? Yes, that is important. That execution I want only. That is theory, write it. Then these examples we are writing only. Very, very, very important. That is only inter question. Then RPAD I will tell you. Fastly write it. Write a note. Executions are different. Write a note. In Oracle, write it. In Oracle, whenever second parameter, having less number of bytes, having less number of bytes than the given first parameter, number of characters, number of characters means total number of characters then LPAD, comma, RPAD means right side pad, RPAD functions, LPAD, comma, RPAD functions returns same results, because in Oracle, write it, because in Oracle, whenever we are submitting, because in Oracle, whenever we are submitting LPAD, comma, RPAD functions, then Oracle server always executes those functions, first parameter, left side, first character onwards, this is a theory, okay na? Oracle Corporation giving like this. Example, select LPAD of, you have to try it only here, ABC like this. So here I'm using a what? Star. Anything from dual. How many bytes we are displaying? That is AB here. Here also select RPAD of ABC. From 2, comma, here star. From dual. AB. Write these two examples. Edit these two. LPAD, why we are using is padding only any characters like that. Finished, huh? Now RPAD, write it. So writing RPAD. RPAD means right side padding, no? Same syntax. Fastly write it. Completed these examples. This is enter question. Substring in string combination enter you're asking. And translate and replace anything also they're asking. And also PLSQL developer side, RPAD, LPAD functions, less number of bytes they're asking a what in a second parameter. These are the popular entry questions only. Now write it RPAD. Fastly write it. It will fills remaining. It will fills remaining spaces with specified characters. On the right side of the given string. On the right side of the given string. This function also accepts, firstly write. This function also accepts 3 parameters. This function also accepts 3 parameters. This function also accepts 3 parameters. Okay, na? Yes. Syntax is not required. Same thing, no? Anna, but unfortunately, right side I'm using only. Now here, observe it here. Select rpad off. Here, same thing. I'm copy paste only. Yes, here A, B, C, D. Here 10 easy remembering purpose I'm using, but you are changing anything. Now I'm changing now. So now here hash or anything we are using only. Now right side padding or not from dual A, B, C, D, hash, 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 6 characters. It will be filling or not? Yes, here. Write it. Then one small reporting side column side I'm using. Fastly writing. Write it fast. Completed fast. Output also write. Syntax not required. Already same thing. Then rpad, lpad. Same syntax. Okay. Yeah. Already first we are telling no syntax, no. Lpad syntax I'm telling no. Same here in place of lpad, rpad only. Nothing. Completed fast. And now check it out. Concentrate here. Suppose where we are using so many times different ways they are using. Suppose you are a first time newcomer. Application level you don't have an idea. Also check it out here. How much easy. Suppose in place of this one I'm interested to use ename is a column. Yes, possible. In a column also. Whenever we are using a column, we are not required to use a single quotes. Suppose the total length in my reporting side, I want only 40 bytes, 30 bytes, anything also I'm using. I'm my own wish, anything, total length, anything also, because I want to print something. Okay, now, and now here, yes, here, observe it here. Now check it out. Here, hyphens I want to display in place of remaining bytes in a where right hand side. Okay, fine. From EMP table, now check it out. Concentrate here, EMP table. Yes, automatically ename is displayed. On the right hand side, remaining spaces side, hyphen, it will display or not. Yes, this is a report. Observe it here. Yes, oh, maybe something differently, it will be displayed or not. Yes, they want anything or not. Now, here I want to display salary. Anybody tell me how can I? Here, oh, Smith salary like this only. Okay, Alan salary like this. What salary like this only. I want to take output, okay, print out only. Now, in that case, that report I want means I want to display salary along with this ename column after hyphens only. Now, possible. How can I? Very good. Anybody attending a previous classes, they have an idea. That's why application level means experience required concatenation operator. In a previous case, concatenation operator, I am telling only here. Now here double pipes are there or not? Yes, here double pipes are there or not? Concatenation operator. That concatenation operator we are using because this is a column data. There's another column data along with the strings. Already we are discussing or not? Yes, here in a previous classes. Okay, operators used in a where select statement. I'm telling only like operator after last only concatenation I'm using or not? Yes, here. Suppose here concatenation. Here salary like this, your own wish. Now here we have to check it out anything. Yes, this is another report. Alias name I'm not using also. Just observe here. Oh, maybe this is another report side. It will display or not? Yes, here. Oh, maybe Smith salary like this. Alan salary like this. What salary like this? Observation purpose. Yes, possible or not? Yes. So many anything else there is. Just this small example you have to write it. Just you are changing purpose. Simple example, write it. Parameters, you have an idea, nothing, you are changing. Okay, now these are the character functions. Now onwards, very important date functions. But before we are going to start date functions, because without dates, there is no projects only that much powerful. But unfortunately, now before we are going to start date functions, some fellows are telling what another function that is not important, never used only. What is that one? Concat is a function is there. But what is the problem? Concat is not popular. Why means only two strings only it will be concatenate. But a concatenation operator is popular in a Oracle side. Why? Because this operator through any number of strings also we are concatenate. That is the advantage. But concat function, you are knowing or not knowing also not a problem. Write it fastly. And now your last function. Concat. Here within the bracket, string 1, comma, string 2. This is very less important actually. Write it. Concat string 1, comma, string 2. Only two strings only it will be concatenate. But 5 strings, 100 strings, 10 strings, 20 strings means here concatenation operator is a better option compared to a concat function. But this is a old and style and a concept only. That's why maybe so many people are doesn't know. Write it fast. It is used to it is used to concatenate. It is used to concatenate two strings, only two strings. It is used to concatenate two strings. Syntax, fastly write it, syntax, very easy. Concat string 1, comma, string 2. Concat string 1, comma, string 2. Suppose anything also you have to check it out, very easy. Suppose select nobody using also, just idea purpose I'm telling, concatenation of here A, B, sorry, otherwise, well, I'm writing, comma, I'm writing only. Welcome is a string I'm writing like this. From both the things combination only it will be displayed or not? Simple. How much easy? Welcome is displayed. Now check it out. A, B, C, X, Y, Z, anything also we are using. Now I try to execute. And now here like this only. Welcome is a string is there or not? Yes, here. Write it fastly. These are the character functions, but only 4 functions are important. Now, very, very, very important. What is that functions? Number function, character function, date function, group function. I'm studying now. First character functions, I'm telling easiness purpose. Next, very, very important. Now, most powerful. Date functions. This is our concepts only. First important concepts. Date functions. Date conversions onwards. Don't miss the class, but this is also a little bit of important, right? Date functions. And now before we are going to start these date functions only, today date arithmetic and all these things, very interesting. And now here, observe here. And now before we are going to start date functions, anybody attending a demo classes means I'm telling only default date format I'm telling. What is the Oracle default date format? DD, very good. Hyphen, tell me. Very good. MON hyphen YY. Okay, fine. Suppose today date is a what? Okay, son of here, yes, 26. 26 means how it will be internally storing 26. DD means number, I1. This is a default date format, no? Yeah, so now here. Yes, October means how can I? OCT. October is not there because MON means 3 characters. Now here YY means here 21 is there. Okay, 2021 means 21. Okay. Yes, that's why in Oracle by default date format is DD-MON-YY. How can I change that one to care? What is that one means? Next, very important. But before that one, first write it this one. Write it fast. In Oracle, internally time is there. So many things are there. Very interesting. In Oracle by default, date format is in Oracle by default date format is DD-MON-YY. RR actually, but YY. DD-MON-YY. Let's write it. Oracle having following date functions. Following date functions. These are now concentrate here. 1 minute only. 1 minute only. What is the first function means? Very, very important. Everyone must familiar. State is a function. Don't use open and close parentheses. Why we are not using open and close parentheses in a state means that is not a function actually. That is a pseudo column. In a feature, what is pseudo column? We are learning row num, row ID, state, level, next val, curve val. These are pseudo columns are there in a feature. But today you don't have an idea without knowledge, any knowledge also. See, state is a function you are learning. That's why open and close parentheses they are not giving. Next is add underscore months. This is also regularly using in a project site. Again, most powerful last underscore day are now here. Yes. After this one, date arithmetics we are learning, but before that one, yes, here another thing I'm noted down only here. Next underscore day is there. And now here again another one is months underscore between. These 5 functions compulsory, mandatory to know. Without knowing these functions, we are unable to handle the projects. Impossible. Regularly user concept this one. Extract and other functions we are knowing or not knowing also not a problem. But these 5 is mandatory. And the next 2char 2date is mandatory. Date arithmetics mandatory. These all the things mandatory concepts. Internal times. How can I store the dates? Those all the things very, very important concepts. That's why this chapter is most powerful. Date functions are words. Okay, na? Write it. Oracle having following date functions. Write it. Oracle having following date functions. These are first one, sysdate. Don't use open and close parentheses. Second one, add underscore months. Open and close parentheses are there. Last underscore day. Open and close parentheses. Next underscore day. Months underscore between. Up to end of the class today. Concentrate. Today onwards, don't miss the classes. Very, very important. One by one we are learning. First, current underscore date I am not telling. Now first, observe here. First one, side heading sysdate. This is most powerful in a future. Internal time is there. How can I viewing all the things we are learning? But first, normally sysdate. What is sysdate? Yes, very good. What is sysdate means? It returns a what where the Oracle is there, that operating system date only. And now here, check it out. Here, what is the date today? And now here, 26th. No, okay, like this only. This is a what? So now here, yes, a server date actually, where the your Oracle server is available in a which operating system, that operating system date only, current date of the operating system. But client date you want means current underscore date in another function is there. But unfortunately, yes, in your system, client and server, same system only. That's why every other writing a what, it returns the current date of the system in Oracle date format. They are telling only. Really, that is correct. And now check it out. I want to view the where current date of the system means operating system. Select sysdate from dual. And now here automatically here observe here dd-mon-yy. I want to change this one format means in a future next class side 2 underscore char function we are using. That is most powerful. Write it, some theory, write it. Sysdate. It returns current date of the system. System is operating. Current date of the system in Oracle date format. In Oracle date format. It returns current date of the system in Oracle date format. Example, write it. Example, select sysdate from dual. Output also write it roughly. First time newcomer or dd-mon-yy is there. No, yeah. Later we are changing. Okay, na? Yes, next one. Add underscore months. Add underscore months, months. This is very important function. These all the functions important. Application level next we are learning. First observe here. Add underscore months means I am also here also thinking, oh, nothing is there. Name itself meaning is there. Now here add underscore months means we are allowed to add a what? Add a what? Months we are thinking. No, not only adding a months, but also subtracting months also possible. Suppose I want to control goes to where future months means in a second parameter positive number we are using, then control goes to where future months. Whenever I want to control goes to where previous month, now here then the second parameter we are using a negative sign, then automatically control goes to where previous months. That's why very important. I want to control goes to previous and future months means we are using a what? A negative and positive signs in a second parameter. How means I will tell you. Write it first. This is a syntax based but important. Write it. It is used to add or subtract. It is used to add or subtract number of months from the specified date based on second parameter. This function accepts, write it. This function accepts two parameters. These are syntax based concepts. Two parameters. What is the syntax means? I will show you practically, but before that one syntax better. Now here add underscore months. Today you are also using some queries purpose this one. Add underscore months. Here date is there, any date, comma. And now here second parameter is a number. Okay, fine. This number is a what? Either positive or negative number. What happened in a positive? What happened in negative? I will tell you. Very easy. First, write it this syntax. Here, this is a positive number also there. This is a negative sign also there. Negative number. Write it this one syntax. Add underscore months. months is there. Okay. Add underscore months. Date, comma, number. First parameter is positive. Sorry, second parameter is a what? Number is a what? Positive. This one is a negative. Okay, now, now slowly observe it here. Complete it up. Fast. Add underscore months, date, comma, number, any date. Okay. Positive, negative. Okay. Now concentrate. Very interesting this one. This is totally different. What is that one means? Concentrate here. Suppose any date they are giving a what project site. Then I want to control goes to where previous months and future months. Suppose, for example, today, this date is there. Okay, October. I want to control goes to where future months. Suppose here add underscore months is there. Okay, fine. Any date, but I am not using any date. This date I'm using today. Why? Because any date means to underscore date. Knowledge is required. Next class knowledge is required. So otherwise problem. And now this date, comma, here. 1 month I'm adding. 1 month I'm adding means today date is a what? 26th October. No, yes, November. Control goes to where? November, like this. 26th November. Okay, na? Yeah. Now I want to control goes to where previous months. Previous months means suppose here -1 I'm using means control goes to where? Yes, previous month. Now here any number of months here -1 means previous month means September. Now here it will be displayed or not? Yes, here. Now only 1 month only we are going to where future and which on previous case? No, any number of months, any date also possible. Suppose here now check it out here in place of this one I'm using a what? Yes, so 5 months. Possible. Now here 2022 March. And now here, suppose I want to control goes to where? Any number of months, 100,000, anything also possible. And now here minus 10 months, control goes to where? Previous years, 2020, December 2020. That's why control goes to where? Previous and future months only. And also any date why I am not using means, I will tell you. Actually, any date we are using means working, suppose, but unfortunately some experience is required. That's why in a next class side, very important, those concepts you must familiar. Suppose any date I'm giving. Suppose here 12 August, for example. Don't write it, just this experience side in next only you are learning. Suppose 2019 is there. Okay, fine. Yes, here. This is a date is there. In this date only 1 month I am adding only. Okay, fine. Don't write, just from dual. Yes, it is working. But unfortunately, what is the problem? This DD-MON-YY is there, then working. Okay, fine, September is there. But unfortunately, yes, you are not an experienced person. In place of August in a future, just 08 we are passing. In other format you are passing, it won't work. Server is not understandable, there is a date. That is treated as a string. That's why it won't work. These type of things are not working. Now here in that case only we are using a what in a future. We are experienced person means in a tomorrow we are learning a what some other concepts. What is that one? To underscore a date is a function is there. We are converting this string into a date by using a format. Masks are there, some concepts are there. Now okay, so not today, later. Okay, fine. Yes, here now something is there. I will tell you those all the things only. One of these days you are very good knowledge only. And now here those all the things. And now once you are converting a what this string into a date, then only working. And now here observe here, this much of thing is there. But first time you are a newcomer, today class side, oh, what is today? These all the things you don't have an idea. What is, how it is not working, why it is, what is string, what is date, you don't have an idea. That's why just the first today you are practicing through systate through we are practicing. Okay, yeah. So now here systate means there is no problem. Oracle understandable date only, that one. That's why first practicing a what systate. Write it this one. Example. Day by day knowledge is different. Write it according to today based only. This example, write it. Systate, 1. Oh, next month it will be displayed. Systate minus 1 of previous month date, it will be displayed. Month. Okay, add years, days, next only. But first, this one predefined. These examples, write it. Next only, what is that function? Last underscore day. Through that one only date arithmetic we are starting, and these three functions combination you are writing today, at least today. Write it. Last underscore day. Last underscore day means what is that one? Maybe guess it, maybe guess it, maybe some fellows are guessing, I think. Last underscore day means very good. So many fellows are telling Murli sir, nothing is there. Add underscore months means months adding or subtracting. Last underscore day means nothing is there. Yes, yesterday they are telling. That's absolutely wrong one. Last underscore day means not a yesterday. Next underscore day means not a tomorrow. I want to control goes to where yesterday means systate minus 1. Date arithmetic is there next. Today we are learning. Again, now here I want to control goes to where, now here, yes, next I want to add a tomorrow means yes, systate plus 1. Date plus arithmetic is there. That's why last underscore day means not a yesterday. Last underscore day means very good. Some fellows are telling only correct. Yes, your last date of the specified month. Suppose October 31st, December 31st, February 28th, July 30, like this, August 31st, like that only. And now whatever last day of the where, last day is there in a whatever month you are passing only, that last day of the month, it will be displayed. Last date. I don't want to perform any DML operation in the last day of the where in a project side means, or last day of the month means, if systate is equal to last underscore day of a systate, then trigger their writing in a PLSQL. That much powerful. Now here, write it. It returns Practical I'm showing. It returns last date of the month based on past date. It returns last date of the month based on past date. Syntax. Last underscore day of date. Only one parameter is there here. Okay, not a two parameter. That is kept in mind. This function always accepts only one parameter. Write it. Syntax, write it. Last underscore day of date. This function, write it. This function, only syntax is only, you don't have an idea, but conceptually easy. This function always accepts only one parameter. Only one parameter. Is a parameter? No. Yes. This function always accepts only one parameter. Okay, now. And now observe it here. Suppose here, now check it out. Suppose, and now select, don't write it. Just here, observe it here. This month side, I'm telling only any date, but first today, this date side, I'm telling. Tomorrow onwards, we are changing only any date also. First observe it here, last underscore day of this date I'm writing. Now here, this date means here today date only. Okay, that is October month last date. 31st it will be displayed or not? Yes. Now here check it out. Yes, 31st October it will be displayed or not? Write it. Later in a date also in place of this date. First this one. Write it example. Last underscore day of this date from 12. Okay, now next, very, very important. Actually, before we are going to start to care to date, so many important concepts are there in the dates only next. But before that one, today we are learning a very important concept. What is that one? Means these three functions first we are learning. This date, year underscore months, last underscore day, very easy. Next we are learning about date arithmetic. Then only we are learning about to care and to date. Then only last only we are learning about next underscore day, months underscore between. That is a correct procedure. Then you never mistake it. And now here check it out. Here date arithmetic I will tell you why, because date arithmetic through these three functions, through one beautiful inter question is there. That question you are only writing today. At least function syntax purpose, there is a popular inter question. Now check it out. Write it. Date arithmetic side heading in every database. Date arithmetic is there. I will tell you. Date arithmetic. Date arithmetic. Most powerful. Date arithmetic. Now what is the date arithmetic? 4 rules means. Observe it here. Maybe. Anybody tell me in our class? Don't write it. Suppose some date is there in a project side. Date plus number, possible or not possible? Maybe guess it possible. Very good, possible. Suppose today date is there. Today date plus 1 means then automatical control goes to where? Tomorrow. Very good, possible. In every database, date plus number is possible. I will tell you today this date side, later next class side or any date side also I will tell you. Very important. Date plus number is possible. Okay, don't write it. Just observe it here. In every database, date plus number is possible. Date minus number is possible. Yes, this is also possible. Very good. Some fellows are telling date minus number. Today, date minus 1 means automatically control goes to where? Yesterday. Very good. Date minus number is possible. Now again, observe it here. Yes, next one only. Date 1 plus date 2. Possible or not possible? Anybody guess it? Date 1 plus date 2. Simple. Possible or not possible? Very easy. Suppose yesterday plus today is equal to tomorrow or not? Very good. Yes, here not possible. Very good. Yes, here yesterday plus today is a what? Not a tomorrow. Those type of things are not there only. Very good. And now here so many fellows are guessing only. Very good. Correct. date 1 plus date 2 is not possible. In any database also impossible. But unfortunately, another thing is possible. What is that one means? Date 1 minus date 2 is possible. Date 1 minus date 2 is possible. Number of days, that is possible. That's why now in every database, date plus number is possible, date minus number is possible, but date 1 plus date 2 impossible. Again, date 1 minus date 2 is possible. Now, really that is correct or not? 1 minute I'm checking, then I'm telling only. Don't write it. Suppose observe it here. Today date base is very easy. Select sys date, later any date, first today underscore date knowledge is required. That's why today sys date, right? We are telling only first time. Select sys date from dual, today date. Okay, fine. Yes, here 26 October 2021. Suppose I want to add 1 day. How can I? Possible. Yes, plus 1. Here plus 1. Oh, today plus 1. Tomorrow. Tomorrow don't miss a class. Very, very important. First important class in where? Our class side. 27. Yes, October. So now 2021. And now here, check it out. Not only 1 day, any days also we have to add it. Suppose 100 days movie is not there nowadays. 100 days I'm adding. Yes, possible. Now here, observe it here. 3rd February 2022. It will be there or not? Yes, here. That's why date plus number is possible. Now here, I want to control goes to where? Yesterday or now sys date minus 1. Yes, automatically. Yes, here 25th is there yesterday or now here. Yes, here. Again, I am interested to check a what? Date plus date. Suppose today plus today. Today plus today. Or now here from dual. Today plus today is a what? Not a tomorrow. Don't tell that tomorrow. And now here today plus today, impossible. It Oracle server gives a what error? Who told like that only? Today plus today. And now here, yes, date plus date not allowed. Okay, na? Yes, date plus date not allowed only. But date minus date possible. Suppose here today minus today, roughly idea purpose. Today minus today, how many days? How many days are there? Today minus today means how many days? Very good. One fellow is telling very good. Your favorite answer 0. And now here, yes, here 0 is there or not? A number of days only. That's why. And now first these are now here. Yes, here 4 write it. These 4 within the bracket only. Write it here. Here this is possible. Okay, fine. This is also possible. This is what? Not possible. This is a what? Yes, here possible only. Okay, fine. Tick mark only. You are writing like this here. 1 minute only. Is not a function, just is working or not working. Check it out purpose. I am telling like this. Here. First, these 4 only. You are note it down like this means easy. Not only Oracle ANSYS standard. This one in a database. Here, this one is a what? Possible. Tick mark. We have to write it here. Also tick mark. Here, no, not possible like this. Here, possible. Write it this one. This 4. Date plus number. Any date also next. But today sys date based. Okay. Date plus number. Date minus number possible. Date 1 plus date 2 not possible. Date 1 minus date 2 is possible. Completed? Yes, very good. Now this one tick marks. Okay, this one possible, this one possible, this one is not possible, this one is possible, like that only write it. Okay, yeah. Finished up? Yeah. These examples also write it. You want to interested to check means just here, check it out. So this state is a better option. First time. Now these arithmetic and these above 3 functions through, we are writing a one important question today. That is a basic level. Write it fastly. Example. Is all the things where condition only we are writing where state minus 1. This one right. This state, this today date outputs also right because today date based on it. Just you have to check it out. This error also right. This error also. It's 0 also right. Completed fast. Very good. So many fellows are completed. Yeah. Yes, why I'm telling you what first day, now this one is what first day important one only. Why I'm telling date arithmetic fast means next any date side means error. In that case, 2_ date function we are using. That class is most powerful. That's why tomorrow don't miss a class. Okay, fine. Next, observe here. Concentrate here. After this one finished, now actually interviewer asking a one beautiful interview question. These functions you have an idea, this date arithmetic you have an idea or not. Interviewer asking what I want to display first day of the current month. First day means 01 October year 2021. This day I want to display. First day means in a function is not there. Really first day of the month, first day of the year, first day of the week means a trunk is a function is there in a next only. After to care, to date, a trunk and round functions, how can I use internally time, what happened, those all the things, beautiful concepts only we are learning. Okay, fine. But there is a correct way, very easiest way. But unfortunately, some fellows are asking, I want to display first date of the month by using a what? These predefined functions they're asking. What are the predefined functions are there? Oh, sysdate they're asking. Sysdate is a function is there. Another one is add underscore months only. Again, last underscore day is there. These three functions combination only you are writing. And also plus date arithmetic is there, no? Date arithmetic, date plus number is there or not? Date arithmetic and these three functions combination through, write it that one today date they are asking. Why? Because, sorry, first day of the month they are asking only. Why they are asking means once you are good at what syntaxes, then only we are operating at what dates, otherwise impossible. That syntactically really you are good or not, check it out purpose. Interviewer asking a what? These type of interview questions. Really in a future truncate function through very easy. Okay, fine. But unfortunately, interview questions, these are fixed questions are there. So many fellows are asking testing purpose. Okay, because always technical person means so much of knowledge is required. And now here basic knowledge, strong knowledge is required. Now check it out. Suppose here, now I want to display first date of the month. How can I mean simple logic they are giving only? How can I these three functions anybody asking me is first control goes to where previous month. Previous month means September. No? Yes, here. September last date you have to find out first. Okay, 30 or 31st or anything. Plus 1. Plus 1 means 30 plus 1 not 31st. Yes, control goes to where? Yes, next month only first. That is server date. No, that's why operating system. Here 1 it will be returned. That's why first you are writing a what? Control goes to where? Previous month last date. Previous month last date plus date arithmetic only. Date arithmetic means date plus number is possible or not? Yes, possible one day. Then automatically first date of the current month you are displaying only possible. And now first query, write it this one. This is a predefined interview question. write a query, all the combination, okay? Write a query to display, write a query to display first date of the current month, first date of the current month by using sysdate, comma, add underscore months, comma, last underscore day functions. What is the logic behind that one? First control goes to where? Your previous months or future months, your own. Suppose first control goes to where? Previous month. Previous month means add underscore months minus 1 we are using, Yes, very good. Second parameter is a negative means control goes to where? Previous month. Previous month, the last day you have to find out. Last day means last underscore day is there, no? Yeah. So now you are writing, you are only check it out. And now here, but very easy. Now, once you are displaying a what 30 or 31st of previous month, plus 1 means date arithmetic means automatically control goes to where? Next month, first day. Very easy. Write a query to display first date of the current month by using sysdate, comma, add underscore months, comma, last underscore day functions. Later, trunk is there. Okay. First, you are only try it. Maybe first time newcomer, you are writing, I think. Slowly, practice purpose, these all the things. Because first time newcomer is different, experienced person is different. That's why slowly one by one we are practicing. At least today write it this one. Your own way, at least one query today. Slowly, whatever you know, write. Syntax based always. I think first easy way, this month last day you have to print it, then previous month last day means function within another function. Yeah. Some fellows are writing about Deepak, you are writing a date add. Date as this function is not there in a Oracle. Okay. That is skill server side. Date difference and date add. Here add underscore months. Very good. So many fellows are writing. Current month, first date. Okay. What is the logic? Very good. 3 fellows are writing correctly. 2 fellows are mistaken. Now check it out. First observe here. Simple. Either first add underscore months, otherwise last underscore day. Anything also your own wish. You are a developer, your own wish. Anything logic. But simple logic means first control goes to where? Previous month. Previous month means observe here. Observe here. Oh, add underscore months minus 1. Very good. Previous month last day, last underscore day. But how I am writing easy way means first observe it, screen observe it, screen observe it. First I am printing a what? This month last date. Don't write it. Just observe how much easy observe here. Select last underscore day I am writing. Simple way. Suppose the last underscore day, one parameter only, no, sysdate from dual. This is this month last day. Okay, fine. 31st October. Simple. Now this month last day means 31st October. Now I want to control goes to where previous month last day better. Now previous month last day means just in a where within a parenthesis nested function you have an idea, no function within another function, Java, .NET, these type of applications you have an idea, no. Previous month last day means how can I add underscore months? Yes, your function within another function possible or not? Very good. Previous month I want to control goes to previous month means -1. That's why syntactically this one. Here control goes to where previous month 26 something only control going only in that one last day. Previous month last day it will be returned. Simple. And now previous month last day means what? 30 September. Now date arithmetic. I want in a where first day of the where October means how can I date arithmetic? Date plus is a date plus number. Date plus number means 30 plus 1. So many fellows are 31. They are thinking no. Server date only, operating system date. That's why system control goes to where? Next day or not? Yes, next day is what? October 1st only. And now here check it out. Date plus number working only. And now check it out. +1. How much easy? And now here you are using a what? First add underscore months also working. And now here, yes, here this is easy. And now here observe here 1st October 2021. Why interviewer asking what this one means? This is a very easy logic only, and syntactically your strong knowledge is there. And also, yes, control goes to any month first date also possible. Suppose here a previous month, okay, some month first date means June 1st. I'm changing a what parameter. Suppose in a future, okay, some other month's first date. Suppose here, and now I'm using a what? So now here, yes, a positive number, 7 or 8 or anything like this only. I'm using, okay, fine. Yes, here. Yes, July 1st, 2022. Any month first also. Now, not only 1st July, 15 I want. Yes, we are adding a what? A number of days here. Like this one. Control goes to A. Anywhere also. Now here possible or not? Compared to this one, another method in a future or easy method is there, truncate function. 15th or there. That's why I want to control goes to where any date moving forward and backward means these function syntax strong knowledge is there, then possible. That's why maybe interviewer designing a what, some interviewers designing a what predefined queries first day, second day, like this only. Oh, now you are writing that one means easily, and now remaining also easily you are handling only. They're thinking. That's why that's predefined questions, input questions they're asking only. Through that one, you are getting a good knowledge. Okay, na? Yeah, so now here. Write it this one. Very good. So many fellows are writing correct. Current month first date. This one, this is one of the method. You are writing this is only, I am not forcing only, but this is entry question. Okay. Write it this one. Okay, simple, nothing is there. This is syntax based. Last underscore day of this state means today, this month last day. But previous month last day means I am passing a what? Add underscore months -1 means yes, previous month. Control goes to previous month. Previous month last day we have to find out. Previous month last day means 30. That 30 plus 1 date arithmetic possible? No. Yes, then control goes to where? This month first day. This is one of the logic. Because syntactic based concept this one. Completed? Yes. Up to this one is enough today. Just up to this one, whatever I'm telling, practice it. Then tomorrow onwards, don't miss the class. Very, 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 very important. First important class in tomorrow. To care, to date, we are telling anybody missing tomorrow class means up to end of the PLS skill also they are struggling. That much powerful. Without that one, there is no Sonoferious project side. Without that concept, you are unable to understandable databases, Oracle database. That's what tomorrow class is most powerful only. Don't miss the class. Okay, now up to that one, practice it slowly. Tomorrow will continue. Thank you. Tomorrow will continue.